Hey guys, this is Random Interest here, and today I'll be showing you how to change the color of your text in a HTML website. So the tag you use is very easy. So you put it in front of your wherever you have text, so you can put it on paragraph or your headers or even your title as well. So let's say the tag will be font color, not color, not how you spell color, not that, color, equals, inside the speech marks you put a color that you want. So let's say red, so font color red, and that's it. And then as always, you have to finish off the tag with a slash font, because that's the tag. So now let's run that. So we save it, and the title has turned red as we've done. So yeah, that's how you change the color of your text to whatever you want.